Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA, Cardano. Not too much movement here today, Sunday obviously, and however, we have reached the target area here. It's quite a large area, but that is purely because the move down has been so long. Yeah, we have to measure the Fibonacci levels from this high, which was around, where were we, around 44 cents, yeah, all the way down to the 33 cent level roughly, yeah. And then we get to these three Fibonacci levels, 35.6 cents, 37.2 and 38.5. And when we came down here, I told you that we can now expect let's say a more substantial reversal, and maybe the low of the bear market is already in, even though we don't have any evidence for that. But I told you that for now we can expect a stronger reversal because it would be the wave 4 in white, which due to the strength of the sell-off would be quite a strong reversal. Yeah, and you can see this happening now, even though I think it's already losing a bit of strength because we're moving now in an ascending wedge, or what you could call it from an Elliott wave point of view, an ending diagonal in a wave C. So at the moment we have reached the area, we've reached a 23.6% Fib level at 35.6 cents. When we now lose the wedge to the downside, it already looked like we were losing it here in the current hourly candle, as you can see if I zoom in, but the hourly candle isn't closed yet, so basically no confirmation yet, but it already dropped out of it briefly. But no, the point is the forecast has been correct. You know, we have moved higher. Yesterday I told you in a couple of videos that I think we should still move higher here and reach this 23.6% Fib level as a minimum, and you can see we touched it, we reacted to it, and we came down. We now see again a reaction here that's trying to push us out of the wedge to the downside, and the target, if this is working out here, if we are going to be pushed down, the target would be first 34.3 cents, the beginning of the wedge, but then we should really eventually follow through, retest the 33 cent level here, the previous low of the wave 3 in white, and then we should come down in a wave 5 in white, maybe to that 30 cent level. That would still be an ideal target, I think, for ADA to end the overall bear market. Important levels here to watch out for. An ideal target for a wave 4 is always the 37.2 cent level. So I cannot, or the 38.2, not always the 37.2 cent level, but always the 38.2% Fib level, and in this case, the 37.2 cent level here. Yeah, this is the ideal level. I actually believe primarily we should reach this level because it is the level that you would most commonly see in a wave 4. So let's see if we actually get there. But also if we get above that level, it would, in my opinion, make the count of a wave 4 in this case less likely, because we would move above the yellow wave 4 here. And that always is an indication that a more substantial low has already been made. But until we get to that level and break it, it's all good, and the focus would remain on the downside after possibly a little bit more of a move up. When would it be a very strong sign that the wave 5 has started? Well, of course, you know, first of all, if we break out of the wedge to the downside is a first indicator, but I think the best confirmation the market can give us is if we lose this 34.3 cent level, so the wave B low, and then I think we are heading further down and would eventually retest the 33 cent level and maybe even, yeah, reach the 30 cents. I'm not suggesting in this case that the overall bear market will be over at 30 cents. Now, as I said, it could be over already, but I need to see evidence. If we make one more low, there's a really good chance it is over, but it can obviously come down even lower. It doesn't need to stop at 30 cents. It can come down lower. We're in a downtrend. As long as we're in a downtrend and as long as the market isn't showing a strong reversal. So I'll keep you updated, of course, about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.